Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at Eightcap. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Eightcap is a premier online trading platform that empowers traders worldwide to navigate global financial markets with confidence and precision. Founded in 2009, the company has built a strong reputation for delivering cutting-edge technology, robust trading tools, and exceptional customer service. Headquartered in Melbourne, Australia, and regulated by multiple financial authorities, Eightcap ensures a secure and transparent trading environment for all its clients. Offering access to an extensive range of markets, Eightcap caters to traders of all experience levels. The platform is powered by the industry-renowned MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, providing users with advanced charting tools, automated trading capabilities, and lightning-fast execution speeds. With a customer-centric approach, Eightcap prioritizes personalized trading experiences by offering tailored account types, competitive spreads, and flexible leverage options. Additionally, the company supports traders' growth with educational resources, market insights, and expert analysis. Trusted by thousands of traders globally, Eightcap stands as a reliable partner for those seeking to achieve their financial goals in the dynamic world of online trading. The broker offers a diverse selection of trading instruments designed to meet the needs of traders in the global financial markets. Their comprehensive range includes forex currency pairs, indices, commodities, shares, and cryptocurrencies. With access to over 1,000 markets, traders can explore popular instruments. Their extensive offering is complemented by competitive spreads, fast execution, and advanced trading platforms, allowing users to diversify their portfolios and to seize opportunities. Eightcap operates under strict regulatory oversight to ensure a secure and transparent trading environment for its clients. The company is licensed and regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the Australian Securities and Investments Commission and the Financial Conduct Authority. This robust framework underscores Eightcap's commitment to compliance, client protection, and maintaining the highest standards of integrity within the financial trading industry. Eightcap offers attractive bonuses and promotions to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These incentives are designed to provide additional value, whether through deposit bonuses, cashback rewards, or other promotional campaigns. By regularly updating their offers, Eightcap ensures traders have access to opportunities that support their trading strategies and maximize their potential in the financial markets. Terms and conditions apply to all promotions, ensuring transparency and fairness. Eightcap's affiliate program offers a lucrative opportunity for individuals and businesses to partner with a leading trading platform. Affiliates can earn competitive commissions by referring clients to Eightcap, benefiting from a program designed with transparency and flexibility. With access to advanced tracking tools, personalized marketing material, and dedicated support, affiliates are equipped to maximize their earning potential. The program is tailored to cater to various affiliate types, including introducing brokers, online marketers, and content creators, making it an ideal choice for those looking to grow alongside a trusted global trading brand. Eightcap offers its clients access to two of the most advanced and widely recognized trading platforms in the industry, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as the TradingView trading platform. These platforms are designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, providing a seamless and efficient trading experience across multiple devices, including desktop, web, and mobile. MetaTrader 4 is known as the gold standard in trading platforms and is ideal for forex and contracts for difference trading. It offers an intuitive interface, advanced charting tools, and a wide range of technical indicators. MetaTrader 5 builds on the foundations of MetaTrader 4, offering enhanced features and functionality. MetaTrader 5 allows access to a broader range of assets, including shares and commodities, and provides more timeframes, additional technical indicators, and advanced order types for greater trading precision. Both platforms are complemented by Eightcap's commitment to fast execution speeds, tight spreads, and robust security measures. Whether traders are focused on manual trading, technical analysis, or automated strategies, Eightcap's MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms deliver the tools and resources necessary to succeed in the dynamic financial markets. The broker offers a variety of trading account types, tailored to meet the diverse needs of its clients. Traders can choose between standard and raw accounts, each designed to provide competitive trading conditions. Both account types ensure fast execution, flexible leverage, and access to a wide range of markets, empowering traders to select the option that best suits their trading style and goals. Eightcap's raw trading account is designed for traders seeking the tightest spreads and most competitive trading conditions. With ultra-low spreads starting from 0.0 pips, the raw account offers direct market access, allowing traders to execute trades with minimal slippage. This account type includes a small commission per trade, providing a cost-effective solution for active traders who prioritize low-cost execution. The raw account is ideal for those looking to implement advanced trading strategies with precision and transparency, backed by Eightcap's fast execution speeds and reliable platform support. Eightcap's standard trading account is designed for traders who prefer a straightforward and cost-effective trading experience. With this account type, traders can enjoy commission-free trading and tight spreads, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and those with moderate trading activity. The standard account provides access to a wide range of markets, fast execution speeds, and flexible leverage, allowing traders to execute their strategies efficiently. It's a great option for those looking for simplicity without compromising on performance. Eightcap's TradingView account type provides traders with seamless integration to the popular TradingView charting platform. Offering advanced charting tools, indicators, and social trading features, this account is designed for those who prefer to analyze markets and execute trades through TradingView's intuitive interface while benefiting from Eightcap's competitive trading conditions. With access to tight spreads, fast execution, and a range of assets, the TradingView account type allows traders to combine the power of Eightcap's liquidity with TradingView's comprehensive analysis tools for a more dynamic trading experience. Additionally, Eightcap offers a demo trading account which allows traders to practice and refine their strategies in a risk-free environment with virtual funds. Traders can experience live market conditions without the financial risk, providing an ideal platform for beginners to learn and seasoned traders to test new strategies. The demo account offers access to the same features as a live account, including tight spreads, fast execution, and a wide range of markets, ensuring traders can familiarize themselves with Eightcap's platforms and trading conditions before committing real capital. Eightcap offers competitive trading fees designed to provide value for traders of all levels. With tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips on their raw account and commission-free trading on the standard account, Eightcap ensures cost-effective trading across a wide range of financial instruments. The platform is transparent about its trading costs with no hidden charges, allowing traders to focus on their strategies while enjoying fast execution and reliable market access. This commitment to affordability and transparency makes Eightcap an attractive choice for traders seeking efficient and low-cost trading conditions. Creating an account with Eightcap is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, click on the Create Account button. Submit your personal information, such as your name, email address, and create a password. After you have created your account, you will be redirected to the Eightcap client portal. Within their client portal, you will need to go through their verification process to create your preferred trading account type. Once you have submitted your information and created your preferred trading account, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 platform with Eightcap. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily select all of the available market instruments that Eightcap provides directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. At the top of the dashboard, a variety of chart types and indicators to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. And once you have chosen your selected instrument, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, Eightcap provides a variety of insights over on their educational panel, or you can visit the MetaTrader official website for more information to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Eightcap offers a variety of secure and convenient deposit and withdrawal methods to ensure seamless transactions for its clients. Traders can fund their accounts through multiple options, including bank transfers, credit and debit cards, as well as popular e-wallets such as Skrill and Neteller. Withdrawals are processed quickly, with funds typically returned to the same method used for deposits. Eightcap prioritizes security and transparency, providing clients with easy-to-follow instructions and reliable support through the transaction process. The broker provides a wide variety of helpful educational resources aimed at helping traders of all levels improve their knowledge and skills. These resources include detailed market analysis, video tutorials, webinars, as well as comprehensive trading guides. Traders can access regular insights on market trends and key economic events, which help inform their trading strategies. The platform also offers step-by-step video tutorials and articles to explain how to use their trading platforms, as well as topics such as risk management and technical analysis. With these educational tools, Eightcap supports traders in becoming more confident and successful in their trading journey. The broker offers up-to-date news and in-depth market analysis to help traders stay informed and make more informed trading decisions. The platform provides regular updates on global financial events, economic reporting, and key market trends that can impact a wide range of assets. By offering expert insights, technical analysis, and market forecasts, Eightcap ensures traders are equipped with the latest information to navigate the fast-paced world of trading. This service is an essential resource for traders looking to stay ahead of market movements and adapt their strategies accordingly. Additionally, the broker provides a range of advanced trading tools designed to enhance the trading experience and support traders in making better decisions. These tools include powerful charting and technical analysis features available on their platforms, allowing traders to analyze market trends, track price movements, and apply various indicators and strategies. Eightcap also offers an economic calendar to help traders stay on top of major financial events that can impact the markets. Additionally, traders can benefit from a variety of order types, faster execution speeds, and automated trading options to optimize their trading strategies and improve efficiency in the markets. These tools are designed to cater to both novice and experienced traders, providing all the resources needed to navigate global financial markets successfully. Over the course of its operations, Eightcap has earned a reputation for excellence within the trading industry, receiving numerous awards for its exceptional service and innovative solutions. The platform has been recognized for its commitment to providing a secure and transparent trading environment, with accolades highlighting its competitive trading conditions, customer support, and advanced technology. These awards reflect the broker's ongoing dedication to enhancing the trading experience and maintaining higher standards in the financial services sector. By continually improving its offerings, Eightcap has become a trusted choice for traders around the world. Overall, Eightcap stands as a leading online trading platform, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources designed to meet the needs of traders at all levels. With a strong reputation built on years of experience, the platform provides access to a wide range of financial instruments, supported by powerful trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Eightcap ensures a seamless trading experience with fast execution speeds, competitive spreads, and a range of account options tailored to various trading styles. The broker's commitment to client satisfaction is evident through its educational resources, market insights, and customer support, empowering traders to improve their skills and stay informed about global financial events. Additionally, the platform's regulatory framework, secure deposit and withdrawal methods, as well as advanced trading tools, further enhance the overall experience. With numerous awards and recognition for its outstanding service, Eightcap continues to be a trusted choice for traders seeking a reliable and innovative partner in the world of online trading. Whether you are just starting your journey or looking to refine your strategies, Eightcap provides the tools, resources, and support to help you succeed. And that is our overview of Eightcap. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.